Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself the great Johnsonkeyz. So today I'm going to be showing you some stuff. We'll be in the key of F. Gospel songs. So we'll use this song, Great is Thy Faithfulness, and we'll pick it from the middle. That place that goes, Great is Thy Faithfulness. So I'm going to teach you this hold and drop. Great is Thy Faithfulness. Now what is then listen to this. Look at this chord. So I'm still demonstrating because somebody is saying it's too fast. I mean, calm down. I'm demonstrating. Right then, great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto. So I'm going to give you I'm going to show you this and then teach you the secret of how to learn this in one of the best ways. So I will show you the hold and drop techniques I did on 5 to 6. So that great is thy faithfulness. Okay, so from 1 we're going to 6. We're supposed to do something like this. Great. So we're supposed I'll do something, just something like that. I'll do something like great is thy faithfulness, right? But we're not going to do all that. You just do it very simple one. Great is your 5. Great is thy faithfulness. Then you do. So I'll show you this and teach you how to get the other ones that I'm playing also. So look at this. So you do your 3 all the way to you are getting to 2. So you go from A, you slow down actually from A flat to A, back to A. Then while you are doing G and F sharp, you also do E and E flat. So you have something like this on your 6. So can you see that? Then if you want to be full of slows. Right, so if you want to get the remaining ones I showed, these are and you want to also get this. Look at this chord. Diminished major 7 chord. Right? If you want to get all those other ones, look at the screen, please. Look at the screen. I know you are looking at the screen, but look at it again. Yeah, that's my intermediate piano course. You need to get that course. It's over 2 hours where I taught all these stuff in the key of C, in the key of F, in the key of F sharp. There's a PDF, there's a video over 2 hours video. There are MIDI files where you will be able to learn everything I pressed on the keyboard. You will see, because they are MIDI files, so you'll be able to see that, put it on your own tempo. And it's just very, very cheap. It's just $7.5 for people in Nigeria and $12 for people in abroad, USA, UK, and the rest. So if you're interested, check the link in this video. Check the link. Click the description below in this video. You're going to see the link to get it, the PayPal link to get it, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp also to buy directly for me. My contact is on the channel home page. If you have any issues, you can just chat me up to buy it. So you're gonna learn all this, right? So I love this part. This I love this chord. Listen to this with string, right? So if I were you, I'll just click the description button below this video and get my course, right away. Because I love to learn. That's how I'm able to play all this. Right? So I'll just click the link to get my copy and start learning, start learning, start learning. Get the course, work on the course for 3 to 6 months and see yourself move from whatever level. Even if you are a beginner, you move from beginner to intermediate to pro using this course. I mean, God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.